Hi everyone, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can customize your pointer size and styles on Windows 11. So if you want to modify this cursor pointer on your computer, you can just follow this step. First, click on the Windows button and go to the settings. And in here, tap on the accessibility at the left panel and scroll down until you find the mouse options. So let's click on that, and here you can see the mouse pointer option. Click on that. So if you want to change the style, you can see there are 4 options that you can select it. There is this black, inverted, and custom. For example, I'm going to use this custom one, and here you can choose the color that you want. You can also choose another color if you don't like with these options. You can drag the color in here and choose your favorite color. Click on done, and this is the result. Here, if you want to adjust the size, you can adjust it in here. This is so the current size is 1. So if you want to make it bigger, you can just swipe to the right just like this, and now the pointer is bigger. So that's how you can customize the size and style of your mouse pointer. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.